Hey, it's Cliff, and I was just saying in my video yesterday that I was feeling really optimistic about the crypto market, and today we got a ton of good news. And also to top it off, Sologenic is pumping, so let's go ahead and bring that up here. So as you can see, Sologenic is up almost 35%. We started down here around 38, and currently, right now, as I'm making this video, we're looking at 51 cents. So that's really great. I know a lot of people in my comment section were sending me messages were like, yeah, this thing's actually taking off. So it's super awesome. And one of the things I noticed is that Bitcoin really isn't pumping that much today. So it seems like the pump action that's actually happening in Sologenic is strictly on the news that is coming out right now. And so just to kind of move into some of that news, got a tweet from Bob Ross here, and he says, quick update on the next listing. The integration of the Solo wallet is completed with one of the tier 1 exchange partners, and the listing is expected to go live soon. More updates and the date are to be released. So one of the things that we're kind of thinking about this is that he's saying they're actually integrating the wallet in a tier 1 exchange, which we kind of expected that Solo is going to be listed on these tier 1 exchanges, but for them to actually use the Solo wallet, that's kind of news to me. So hopefully that's what he meant. He didn't misspeak on that one, but I mean, he said what he said, so we'll see what happens. And personally, when I think tier 1 exchange, I'm thinking like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. So I am pretty excited that this is actually going to be added to a real exchange and not something that we don't really want to use, like something actually official. So definitely looking forward to that. But not only that, moving on to Sologenic's Twitter, they also had some pretty good news, and they're stating that we're glad to announce that Fiat on-ramp is now supported on the Sologenic DEX in a partnership with binance official, whatever their name is, don't really matter. You can buy XRP directly on the DEX using multiple fiat currencies, local payment methods in your country. Solo will also be available on their network. So that's great, and if you're just an XRP user, that's even great for you, because for US users, I know there's only a few exchanges that you can actually buy XRP on. I think it's Bitstamp's one, and Uphold, I think, is the other one. But you have very limited options. So now that this is integrated with the Solo DEX, you can actually buy your XRP there. So I will definitely take it. And I actually kind of went to the webpage to check it out, access the DEX here. And I don't know why they do 2 home pages, but they do. And if you look up here in the corner, this is where the Fiat off ramp is. So click on that, just gonna show you what's going on with it. And this is the interface, so pretty easy to use. There's multiple fiat currencies, like they said, that you can use, but I'm mainly concerned about the dollar myself. So yeah, we can try it out. Say we want to throw in $100, and that will get us 115 XRP. Actually, can you? It'd be kind of cool if you could do different trading pairs, but you can buy XRP and just swap it on the DEX. That's not a big deal. It looks like, so if you spend $100 buying XRP, they're going to charge you about $2. The fees down here, so that's not really that bad. I'll definitely be on board. I wonder if the fees kind of fluctuate. It looks pretty much like a flat rate. So yeah, you spend $100, you're gonna have a $2 fee. So can't really complain there. It's a new on-ramp for American users that are really needing a way to get into XRP right now, if that's something you want to hold. But not only that, you can buy XRP, swap for Solo, or probably pretty soon Core, things like that. So it's more utilization on the XRPL. So I'm definitely for that, because I also like XRP as well as our Solo. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the good news for today. I'm really hoping that Solo keeps pumping into tomorrow, but I don't want to get greedy, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, let me know if you guys are excited. I know some people already hit me up in the comments, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, thanks for watching.